Hi, I'm Hera from GEODNET. Today, I want to talk about how accuracy starts with quality. Every base station is checked to ensure it delivers the best possible GNSS and RTK performance. First, follow the official base station installation guide. Correct antenna placement and secure connections are crucial for high-quality signals. Next, check station quality. Go to console.geodnet.com/map and search for the station's last 5 serial number digits, or the full SN if needed. If the station doesn't appear, it is not online. Try refreshing your browser. Here's what to look for. Databytes shows the live message bytes received. If it is 0, there's likely an internet issue. Effective satellites. Satellites with SNR above 32. Low counts or many below 32 indicate poor installation. Hourly online rate and token rate. Both should be close to 100% for a strong, stable setup. Finally, check RTK Quality Control metrics. The GEODNET Quality Control Database provides detailed signal quality, multipath, and cycle slip data. Updated every hour. Columns 6, 9, 10, and 11 are key. Higher O/slip is better. Lower MP12 and MP21 values means less multipath interference. Only stations in active status are ready for RTK service. By following these steps, you ensure every GEODNET station delivers stability and reliability our global RTK network is known for. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
GEODNET. Mind the sky.